Same option trading strategy can be used by a working professional and it can be used by a full-time trader also. The only difference is about execution. It is the way how you use a particular strategy is important rather than the strategy. So if I give you a simple example, a knife can be used to cut vegetables also, and a knife can be used to injure people also. So knife is a tool, but how you are using it is more important. Similarly, option trading strategy is a tool. How you are using it depends upon your situation and your requirements. If you are a working professional, obviously you may not be sitting in front of the screen, you may not be able to do much adjustments. So you will use the same strategy in a different way compared to a full-time trader who is sitting in front of the screen, who is seeing the market and who can do the adjustments. He will use the strategy in a slightly different way to fetch more returns from the market. In my previous video, I have shown how to use a Batman strategy and the usage was for a working professional. If you have not seen it and you are interested in seeing that, I am giving the link on the top right corner of the video. Now in today's video, I will be showing you how the same Batman can be used by a full-time trader with few adjustments in that so that you are able to generate more profit. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and this is your friend Pradeep Singh. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you a pre-market report every morning at around 8 a.m. in this community. Let me go to Opstra and let me show you the trade. Now we are on 1st of December 2025 at morning 9:30 we will do the trade. Now since we are available in the screen, since we know the adjustments, what we will do, we will not create a very wide strategy, but we will create a narrow strategy to fetch slightly more returns. So what I am doing, I am buying 26,200 put. Maybe I am selling 25,900, sell 2 lots. Similarly, on the call side, I will buy 26,700, 1 lot, and to make it more aggressive, I will sell 2 lots of 26,900. So if I see this trade, okay, it's not a very balanced trade because on put side. So what I'll do on put side, instead of 25,900, let us say I make it 26,000. So this is the trade. Now this is the trade which is quite a balanced trade on both the sides. There is a decent credit of 23,000. Lower break-even point is 25,682. Upper break-even point is 27,219. So the trade is having around 1,600 points of width. But obviously, as soon as market crosses this peak or this peak, after that I cannot sit in the trade. I need to add on some adjustments in the trade. See it very carefully. I will be showing you the possible adjustment in this trade. For better reach and visibility, please click the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Now let us see what happens next day. Okay, market has gone down a bit and we are having a loss of 1743. Still I am okay because this peak is not reached. Once this peak is reached, then definitely we need to do some adjustments. Next day this peak is breached and overall we are losing 2636 in this trade. Obviously now this is the time to do adjustment. So now what we will see, if this is my put pair wherein it is giving me 10,000 rupees, this is losing 15,000 rupees. So I am losing around 5,000 rupees on put side and I am making around 2,200, 2,300 on call side. So what I will do, I will scare off the call side now because market has tanked down. So I will scare off the call sides. Now if you see the trade, it looks like this. I have a lower break-even point of 25,698. Market is right now at 25,963. But my problem is that market has already crossed the peak of this triangle. Now what I will do, these 2 lots are 26,000, which is worth 232 rupees now. What I will do, I will buy these two. So here I will buy these two and book my loss here, 232 rupees. Now 232 plus 230 is 460. If I divide it by 3, I need to sell something worth 460 rupees in 3 lots. So means roughly around 150 rupees if I can get. So if I see 25,750 is 145 rupees, I will sell 3 lots of this. Now my ratio spread is converted into 1:3. If you see, this peak of the triangle has now gone way back from the market. So I can hold on to my trade for some more time. In addition to this, I can also see that, okay, this blue line is tanking down very fast. So if market goes down suddenly by another 200, 300 points, this blue line can be damaging. What I'll do, I'll go to a weekly option. 9th December, nearest weekly is 9th December because we are on 3rd December. I take an option chain of that and I'll buy 25,500 because 478 is my lower break even. And I will buy 25,500 in 14 rupees and I will buy 2 lots of this because I have 3 sold puts, 1 purchase puts, so only 2 lots are naked. Once I do that, it becomes like this. I do not want this kind of a situation also. So I have purchased 2, I will sell 2, I'll go to 25,350 or maybe 25, okay, 350 and I'll sell 2 lots of this. So now the blue line has improved a bit. Earlier it was dripping down from here itself, but now it has improved a bit. Let us see now what happens next day. Market is there only, not much has happened. Our loss has reduced slightly. Next day, okay, we are already now in a profit and see the blue line. Blue line is now coming above this horizontal line, which is a good sign for us. So when to buy a weekly protection, when not to buy a weekly protection, it all depends upon how the blue line is behaving. Maybe the same trade 10 days after it has been taken, it will be much different compared to what is happening right now. Next day, if you see, okay, market has gone up a bit and I am now making 2767 in the trade, which is a good sign. But now it is 8th December. Let us say I am not touching my weekly options still, right? Next day market has tanked down, but I am not losing too much of money because I had made some adjustments, although it is not giving me too much of money, but overall it is giving me a courage that okay, even if market tanks down, I have something in my kitty. So what we will do at around 315 or maybe at, okay, 315 is okay. We will close the weekly trade and obviously both are almost zero. It has given me a loss of 1000 rupees. Now do I need to buy a weekly option? I don't think so because my blue line is better now. Earlier my blue line was tanking down, but now because it's 9th December, earlier it was 3rd December when I was doing the adjustment. So I required that kind of protection. So let us see now next 15 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, I am still in a loss of 1500 rupees. Next day if we see, it is 1600 rupees loss. Market has tanked down a bit. Blue line is still comfortable. Next day, okay, market has now gone up and I am making 4428, which is a decent profit in a trade which really got stuck up. Next day, and keep an eye on the blue line. See how it will keep on changing. Okay, 4173. Next day, not much change. 6273. Now I am making 6273. So this is a decent return on a 2 lakh rupees margin. This is around 3%. So this is the point where I can definitely book this trade. If we keep moving, 6615. Now the market has tanked down, but it is still not touching this peak, which was important for us when we have done our first adjustment. But because now we are at 18th, so many days have passed, we are making a very good return of 7100. Let us say next day. Okay. Now I'm making 9851, which is definitely a very good return for the trade. Next day, 9676. Next day, 9843. Okay. Next day, 8763. 26. It is giving me 12,273, which is definitely a very good return and trade is very safe. See this blue line, how it is behaving. It is pretty good. Even if market tanks down a bit, I'm okay. And if market goes up, I will still make some 4,000-5,000 rupees. So let us see next day. Now I'm making 14,677, which is fantastic. I should definitely close the trade. But just for academic sake, I am continuing with the trade. Okay, I'm making 27,000 rupees. This was not the expectation also. But in any case, since we adjusted our trade well, we stayed in the trade till end, the trade is very rewarding. So hope you understand the benefit of doing the right adjustments. We had already conducted 2 workshops, one in iron CONDOR and one in Iron Butterfly. In Iron Condor workshop and in Iron Butterfly workshop, we have shown how to create the trade, how to execute the trade, how to adjust the trade, and we have also shown 12 months of back testing. Now, as you have seen in this trade also, right kind of adjustment can make almost most of the strategies profitable. The problem is that we can enter the trade, but at times it becomes very difficult for us to get out of the trade in a meaningful way. So in this Iron Condor workshop, we have shown 12 months of backtesting for Iron Condor, and we have shown how to adjust the trade properly. We have given you the complete framework. Second strategy is Iron Butterfly strategy. Again, it is much more conservative, but it has also generated very good returns for all 12 months when done in a proper framework and with the right kind of adjustments. If you have not attended these workshops, we have done the recordings of these workshops. You can buy those recordings. You can buy any one recording, or you can buy both the recordings. If you're a silver member, you will get 10% discount. And if you buy both the recordings, we will offer you 25% discount on the costlier one. To buy these recordings, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. We have also created two more very exclusive memberships on our channel. TOS Premium, in which we have added detailed videos on TOS wealth cycle, how the whole wealth cycle works, and it is a combination of many strategies. We will be adding more clarity on this with addition of few more videos. In addition to that, in TOS Premium, you also get backtesting of strategies for previous months. The another membership is TOS Insights. In this, you get backtesting of strategies for previous months and how they have performed. So if interested, you can check this memberships also. I am leaving you with a very interesting option strategy video. Do not forget to click like button and subscribe button. Each and every subscriber is very precious to us. Thanks. See you in next video. Bye.